Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides single sign-on solutions for Jira Marketplace, and as we know, that is the best OAuth and OIDC SSO solution available in the market. So, in this video, we are going to set up Jira Single Sign-on with GitLab using OAuth protocol. Let's get started with the setup. Go to the Jira dashboard, and click on the setting icon on the top right corner and select Manage Apps option. You can search here for add-ons in Atlassian Marketplace. Go to the Search tab and type OAuth SSO and press Enter. To download the plugin, click on Free Trial. Click on Accept and Install to agree with miniOrange policy and terms of use. After successful installation, use the license key to activate the plugin. And after activation of the license key, click on miniOrange OAuth Client. Now you are on Configure OAuth tab. We will be covering GitLab setup here. You can also go through the setup on this guide. Here you will get step-by-step instructions. So, firstly we are configuring GitLab as OAuth provider. Log into your GitLab account. Navigate to your profile settings. Select Applications and left menu. Enter your application name. You will find the redirect URI in the plugin, which is used to tell the OAuth provider where to send the token after authentication. Copy it and paste it in the given field. Under Scopes, select the required scopes as API to fetch the groups from GitLab. Select OpenID to authenticate with GitLab. Select Profile to access the user's profile data, and select the email to access the user's primary email address. Click on Save Application. Application ID, secret and scopes will be displayed. Now let's set up Jira as an OAuth client. Go to Configure OAuth tab. As earlier we have selected GitLab as an application. Copy that application ID and paste it in client ID in the plugin. Copy secret and paste it in client secret. Enter API. OpenID. Profile and email in scope. Logout endpoint is optional. Click on Save. Now you can see successful OAuth settings updated message. To test your configurations, click on Test button, and you can see successful test configuration here, along with the email, name and username. After successful test connection, you will get to see the SSO button on the Jira login page now. Click on Use OAuth login button, and you will be redirected to GitLab login page for OAuth authentication. Now enter your GitLab credentials, and click on Sign In button. You will be successfully logged into your Jira dashboard using GitLab credentials. Go to the user profile to check the user data. And you can see the user's email ID here. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.